we are going to start chapter 3, that is related to pair of linear equations in two variables. We know that a linear equation is an equation in which degree of the variable is 1. And if we talk about the pair of linear equations, then it will be of the form a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clearly these are two equations. So as the name of chapter, pair of linear equations, this is a pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have two variables x and y. This is constant. a1 b1 a2 b2 are coefficients of these variables x and y, and c1 and c2 are the constant terms. And we will be asked to solve these pair of linear equations in this chapter, and we will solve these equations by different methods. These methods will be graphical method, elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. So in first exercise we will discuss about the first method, graphical method. Question number 1 of exercise 3.1 is: Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Then also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. First of all, we will assume the variables x and y which are required in the problem. Let present age of Aftab is equal to x years, and present age of his daughter y years. Now according to our question, 7 years ago, now we will see what will be the age of Aftab and daughter before 7 years. Before and before 7 years, age of Aftab will be, because the age is before 7 years, 7 will be subtracted from the present age of Aftab and his daughter. It will be x minus 7 years. Age of his daughter it will be y minus 7 years. And what the statement says, I was 7 years 7 times as old as you, means Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter, and the equation will be x minus 7, 7y minus 49, and x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is equal to 0, x minus 7y, and it will be 42 is equal to 0. This will be the first equation. And the second situation is, "3 years from now I shall be," and after 3 years age of Aftab will be x plus 3 years, and age of his daughter that will be y plus 3 years. And what the question says, and 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be, and age of Aftab will be 3 times as old as you will be, means his daughter will be, and it will be x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. And when we simplify this equation, it will be x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9, x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Up to the point, that is, represent the situation algebraically, it has been solved. Further, we will represent these two equations graphically. Now we have these two equations to which we will represent graphically. Now take the first equation, x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now represent this equation in a variable, single variable, in the form of another variable. Let I will represent this equation as x in terms of y. That will be x is equal to 7y plus, that will be minus 7y, and 42 will be shifted to this side and their signs will be changed. Now we shall put the values of y to get the values of x. Let us say I put y is equal to 5. I will get x is equal to 7 into 5 minus 42. X will be 7 5s are 35 minus 42, and it will be minus 7. Again put y is equal to 6. It will be x is equal to 7 into 6 minus 42. 6 7s are 42 minus 42. It will be 0. And last is y is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 into 7 minus 42. It will be 7 7s are 49 minus 42. It will be 7. So our solution space will be x and y, and for y is equal to 5 we get x minus 7, for y 6 we have x 0, and for y 7 we have x 7. Similarly for second question, and second question is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Again we shall reform this equation in the form of a variable in the form of another variables, that will be x is equal to 3y. By taking this side the signs will be positive, plus 6. Again we shall put the values of y. Put y is equal to, let us say I put minus 3, x is equal to 3 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 9 plus 6 will be minus 3. Again put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 into 0 plus 6 will be 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, and last one is put y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, it will be x is equal to 3 minus 2 plus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0, and its solutions will be x, y. For y minus 3 x was minus 3, for y 0 x is 6, and for y minus 2 x was 0. Further we will use these two solution spaces to graph these equations. Next we will draw a Cartesian system. This is x, this is x dash, y, y dash, and this is 0, and the maximum value among these two solution spaces is 7. So plot the 7 equal marks on each side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly on this side 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Minus 1, sorry, these are all of minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7. And the first part of the first equation is minus 7 5. X will be minus 7 and y will be 5. That will be on this place. This is minus 7 and plus 5. Next point is 0 and 6. 0 means x is here and 6 is here. That is called 0 comma 6. Next is 7 7. X is 7 and y is 7. That will be here. X 7 and y 7 will be here. 7 7. And if we draw a straight line through these 3 points, we will get this type of line. And next one is minus 3 minus 3. That is minus 3 and minus 3 is here, and this will be -3 comma -3. Next is 6 0. 6 is here and 0 is abscissa and ordinate, and abscissa is 0, ordinate is -2. Abscissa 0 and ordinate is -2 is here, that is 0 comma -2. And if we draw a line through these points, then we will get this equation, and this line represents the equation 1, whereas this line represents the equation 2. So in this way we have represented the linear equations in graphical form also.